Pretty girl. Baby. What are you doing? What are you doing? You can barely see it. Boop. This is my I've got nothing left in the fridge pasta. It's just a butter garlic thing happening. And microwave chicken. Because I'm fantastic and we haven't gone grocery shopping in a very long time. Oh my god, she's so cute. Oh, good morning, Bean. Hi. Oh my god, are you see me?
Bought a pair of pants on eBay that were, I feel like I should, love, I could make a video. I could buy more of them and then like do a haul video with them and like show people and then they could buy these pants. He doesn't want me to buy more pants. Anyway, so I bought these pants and they said they're supposed to be denim and like they look like the pants that you could buy on like Fashion Nova, like the super high-waisted jeans things. And I got them and I'm looking at them from the package and they feel really small and the material's definitely not denim. It's like some cheap stretchy stuff and it, are you talking to me? Oh, okay, no, he's telling a story. So, I'm holding them up and I'm like, they look really small, like they're not gonna go around my waist and it's just not gonna fit and it's gonna be a terrible situation when I try to put these on. I was just not happy. But then, I put them on and we good, okay? I'm so excited. Like, they don't feel like they're super tight or anything. It's weird because they look so small. I'm about to take them off and show you just how small they look. It's just, they feel so nice and like roomy, you know? And the booty looks okay. It's probably not a good angle on the phone. Anyway, I'm excited and I want to buy 10 more of them. So this is how small the waist looks. Like, if I saw this in a store, I would not even bother. I would look for the next size up because this looks so tiny. And it's really stretchy, but like it just doesn't look like it would do what it's supposed to do on your body. They're kind of short, but I'm 5'6". But anyway, I'm just so surprised because I got, oh, that went over my butt. This, I don't know. I'm excited, and I'll put the link in the description if I remember. If I don't, and you're watching this and there's no link, just yell at me in the comments, and I'll put the link because I tend to forget that. Side note, I don't think that they'll last very long, but they feel amazing. They're like wearing leggings, but they look like, not jeans, but they look like nice pants-ish. I don't know what to, I don't know.
I'm not going to be very good at fighting off raptors. Next on 2. Some more wood. They're getting pretty close.
Oh my god.
Some more wood.
Get him to lay down again.
Go.
Why does he dig? Hey,
Yeah.
sweetie.
Get out. You know, follow orders.
Cooper, please turn on the water. If you blow on the buffer, he digs.
Good enough for government work.
You gonna turn it on for him or no? Okay. Yummy!
They like to lick the drops.
Mm-hmm.
And beans a fat old bitch. Look at her. She goes straight up to it.
They already have pumpkins out. I'm fall.
Good, you.
Wow, it's really big. Wow, that's expensive for pumpkins. Actually.
These are big. Wow.
Yeah. Love, just get a pie. A pea. A piece of pea. Ice cream. They look delicious.
You know what looks really good?
What?
Cheese strudels.
Get them. Eat them. What is this though? Protein. They're already cooked. I need this in my life. We still have a lot of carbs, but protein pancakes. Exciting. Oh, you can barely see it. Okay, this raccoon has no arms. Why does he have no arms? It's a Raccoonotsaurus Rex. What are you doing?
I'm trying to catch another lightning bolt. That was awesome.
Oh, it looks pretty.
Like,
The sky, look how pretty it is. That freaking light was in the way. We got the goods! The goods! We're at our friend's house borrowing an air mattress, and so they're not home right now. So we hit, oh god, we we hit something we put something in the wrong spot as a joke, as a prank. It's great. Is this Cowboys rubber ducky? Where is it normally?
bathroom.
It's in the bathroom, and we put it in the living room. I'm excited. That was a good spot. It's a good spot.
I'm hoping the next week or two if we come over we'll see it.
Oh, take this!
Dude, why are you picking rubber ducky though?
Hi, Dexter. Bye, Dexter.
My land, this land is my land. This land is my land.
We're having a really weird day, and I just found $5 on the ground. Cookie? Yummy?
Cookie.
Cookie.